feels so great to be back out in the fresh air. Thanks to all of your help with solving the riddles and unscrambling the pictures, I found the book of solutions on the shelves and pulled it to open the door and finally get out of the escape room here at Matlock Mansion. Throughout this unit, you've learned a lot about solving different kinds of equations. Now that we've made it to the end of the unit, it's time for you to take an assessment to show off everything you've learned. You'll spend day one of this lesson, that's today, reviewing all of the concepts you've learned throughout the unit to make sure you feel confident and prepared for your assessment. After you finish watching this video, you'll complete the Mastery Mission activity. This activity is an opportunity to practice all of the skills that will appear on the assessment. In this activity, problems are each worth a different amount of credits, shown by the pink icons. When you successfully complete a problem, you earn the number of credits it was worth. There's even a flip to check at the end of the activity so you can make sure your answers are correct and you've earned the credits. You can choose which problems you want to complete in this activity as long as you earn at least 15 total credits. Try to focus on the problems in the Mastery Mission activity that look harder to you so you can get more practice and build your confidence with them. After the Mastery Mission activity, you'll complete level 1 of the online practice, which has additional review problems for you. Don't forget, your adults can find a printable copy of the practice questions in the curriculum page of their portal if you'd prefer to work out the online practice questions on paper too. On day 2, there's one more review activity before the assessment. You'll go through the unit reflection activity where you rate how confident you feel about each skill. This is your chance to be honest with yourself. What do you feel great about, and what could you use more practice with? If there are any objectives you don't feel confident in, this is a great place to stop and review more before taking the assessment. There are many things you can do to review objectives you're not feeling confident in. One great place to start is to revisit the lesson where the concept was originally taught. You can rewatch the lesson video, redo any of the activities, or try the online practice again. When you're ready, go ahead and take the assessment. It will have 15 questions on it. Remember, an assessment is your opportunity to show what you know. Take your time, check your work, and do your best. I'll be here ready to start the next unit with you when you're done.